Dear students, now we see about bonsai. Bonsai. Bonsai is an art of growing and training of a plant to a miniature form having a natural look of old age. What is the origin of bonsai? It was originated from China, but it was called as the Japanese art. It involves techniques of extreme dwarfing. The optimum size of bonsai may be only 30 to 60 centimeter in height, but miniature size of below 25 centimeter have also been preferred. Bonsai of minimum 10 years old are period, but of 100 and even 200 years of age are available and are highly valued as venerable specimens. Next we see about what are the steps involved in bonsai preparations. First one is bonsai requires special types of containers. They should be usually shallow with 5 to 7.5 centimeter deep, round, hexagonal or square shaped containers with 25 to 30 centimeter diameters are preferred. Containers with specific colors like mosaic, sky blue, terracotta, grey or jungle green are well suited for bonsai culture. Plants adaptable for extreme dwarfing like juniper, pine, elm, maple, cypress are suitable materials for bonsai culture. But in tropical places like India, the tree species like sapota, basia, tamarins are well suited. Trunk and branches may be bent, forced, and tied by coiling them with heavy wire. This wire is removed after several months when training to shape has been accomplished. Next we see about what are the styles of bonsai. The bonsai plants may be trained to different shapes like twisted trunk, upright, S-shaped, semi-cascade, cascade, slanting, or any other formal shape. Planting of both tips and roots is usually done at planting time and periodically pinching and bringing the tip and removing the excess side shoots and essential to maintain the general outline of design. Annually, the plants are either repotted or lifted from the pot, root burned and reset. The bonsai plant is fed sparingly of weak fertilizer solution containing major and mineral nutrients. Sometimes extracts of oil cakes may be also added. Similarly, the plant is given only minimum requirements of moisture. Next, it is advisable to water twice a day to plants kept in shallow containers and once a day to plants kept in deeper pots. Selection of hardened woody plants that have been subjected to adverse conditions is a good starting point. Such kind of planting material may be collected from rock crevices of from the walls of any buildings. Old seedlings kept in containers from any nursery or cutting grafted plants or layers may be also used in bonsai culture. Next we see about what are the agro techniques which is used for bonsai preparation. First one is preparation, season, potting and repotting, aftercare, container, planting media. These are the various factors which is involved in bonsai preparations. First we see about propagation. For bonsai preparations through the seeds, cuttings, layers or graftings which are used for bonsai preparation. Seeds like pines or junipers, cuttings like ficus plant, pomegranate, mulberry and bougainvilleas. For layering or grafting process, jasmine, ixora, bougainvilleas and pomegranate. Graft like mango, sapota, citrus. These are the various sources which is used for making bonsai preparation. Next we see about what are the season which is suitable for bonsai preparation. First, first is July to August or February to March. The best time is before opening of the buds. Potting and repotting. Potting means the plant is potted onto the suitable containers. One third of the roots can be trimmed. Long tap roots are to trimmed. Excessive branches are to thinned out. Balanced nutrition and adequate watering is must. Potting is not advisable during winter or hot months. Repotting is done after 2 to 3 years. Next we see about aftercare. Three important cares are maintained. First one is pinching, pruning, training. Pinching means once or twice. Pruning for its shape. Training is a desirable shape. It is achieved through copper wire or polythene tap. It is to be removed once the shape is attained. Next we see about the containers. Mostly terracotta or ceramic which is preferred for the bonsai preparation. The size is small in size. Shape square, root, rectangle or oval in shape, preferred in oval or rectangle. In round, square, the plant is to be the center. In others, placed in sides of the containers. Planting media. So media consists of loam soil, leaf mold, coarse sand. Loam soil is 2 parts of the total quantity. 1 part of the total quantity is leaf mold and coarse sand is very little amount. Media can be covered with moss and 1 or 2 pebbles can be placed to give a natural look. The slide shows the various bonsai styles which are produced by the bonsai preparation. Thank you.